Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Tuesday, December 24th, Christmas Eve. I'm in my myfundedfutures account. I streamed last night, and that's when I traded these accounts. I didn't want to do anything crazy because the market wasn't really moving all that much when I was streaming and trading and all that stuff. I missed some moves, and what's funny is all of these are green and up over $100, which really I needed another $100 day for number 36 and number 34. These are all my funded accounts. Excuse me. Um, and I needed 100. I wanted to get my third day. What's funny is this account number 34. I was trying to get my third day in on Monday going into Tuesday during the overnight, and to get my third day in, right? Count was looking good. It was basically around the same point as 36. And what do? I hit the daily loss limit. But what's crazy is when you hit the daily loss limit, you don't lose the account. Not crazy, but it's actually great. It's one of my favorite things about my funded futures. But what's great about my funded futures is you don't lose the account when you hit the daily loss limit. I've hit it 3 times in this account. This is the account that I fucked myself out of a $1,200 payout. I was literally over, had it locked. I would have had enough room to mess around and try to build it back up after getting the max $1,200 payout. And I fucked it up because I was greedy. And I hit the daily loss limit 3 times since I got to the point where I could request the max payout. But I still have the account. And look, I have plenty of drawdown. Like it's not even in that bad of shape. It's only down. I mean, my drawdown's kind of messed up, but in terms of where the account is at itself, I'm only down $235 from break even. So I could push this thing over. I could get this to a payout easily. Same with this one. So I put these two together and I traded them together. What's funny about all three of these though is last night or this morning during the overnight stream, while I was streaming, I had every single one of these. I hit my take profit after I locked in baby gains. My take profit got hit. Like I was right, and my take profit got hit, but it was after I got out. I took a long here, actually with gold, and if I would have just let it play out, literally like 2 minutes after I got taken out for a baby game, it went and hit my targeted take profit, and I would have made like 190 or $200. And then I went short in this account because I was only up like $40, 30, $40. And I got over 100, which is what I wanted to do. That's really all I wanted to do with that account. And then I only need 400 more bucks to get to. I have to get to about 1,500 because one of the days because of the 40% consistency rule, I think I did like $596, which means I need to get to 1,500 at or around. Probably not as much, but right there. That's where I need to go. So I need $400 more across 2 more days of trading, which is easy. So I didn't want to push. But what's funny, I took the short, and sure enough, I hit my take profit again after getting taken out. But it wasn't as frustrating as the other one. And then sure enough, with these two, I think I went short with the NQ. I don't remember if I went long or short. I was copy trading these. They're in the group together called Fuck It. That's where my head was at when I made that group. And I left it the same. I don't care. And I think I would have made like $300 on this one. But whatever. 29, I didn't need another $100 day with 29. I have a bunch of them. I have way more than 5, considering I hit the daily loss of it 3 fucking times. This one, I needed it, though. This one, I still need 2 more days of $100 more. But I'm going to trade these two together because they're pretty much identical in terms of where they're at. And I'll see, my goal, honestly, for any of these is to get to a payout before the end of the year. I have how many more trading days? Let's see, let's look at the calendar because it's Christmas Eve right now. Let me load up the calendar. So today was one. We got tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow, there's no trading on Christmas Day. We got the 26th and 27th. That's 2. I could do it. I could potentially request a payout on maybe 36 after Friday, after the market closes on Friday. And if I could get there and I make it happen, I will. I'll do it for the stream. I'll do it while I'm streaming because the last time I did that, I requested, got approved, and the money was sent to my Rise account in 2 minutes and 9 seconds while I was streaming. It was fucking crazy. And then we have them. We basically have 1, 2, 3, 4 more days of trading before the year is over. Let's just say 3, even though Rise, get paid really fast with my funded futures. I do have other funded accounts with other prop firms, but I feel like my best chances of getting another payout, and that's my goal, is to get at least one more fucking payout before the year ends, would be, and that's to make up for the $1,200 payout that I fucked myself out of. But my best chance would be with my funded futures, obviously, because I'm almost there. I need 2 more days of trading. I have 4 more days before the year's over, but really, I would say 3. But either way, I think I could do it Thursday and Friday for 36, and maybe 29 and 34 I could do, by Monday or Tuesday. We'll see. But that's where I'm at with my funded futures. Just so you know, they are raising their prices and changing some of their offerings around right at the beginning of the year. January 1st, they will have a price increase on on everything. They're gonna go back to offering Starter Plus, which is a hybrid between Starter and Expert in terms of the evals. They're still going to offer the Milestone, but I think they're going to raise the price on those a little bit too. But the biggest change is going to be on the Starter. Right now, I have these 50Ks. Oh, and I had this new 50K eval because they made some crazy deal yesterday. It was like 40% off resets for like a limited time, a flash sale for a limited amount of uses, one time per person. It expired, but I grabbed this for 40% off. I got this eval for $48. So if I pass it, right, or when I pass it, it'll just be waiting in the wings in case I blow one of these. It'll just be waiting, waiting on the bench, waiting for its shot, its opportunity to shine. So I'm okay with that. For $48, I could potentially have a funded account because there's no activation fee with my funded futures. So I took advantage of that. But the 100 and the 150K accounts are going away at the end of the year, which is almost here. 4 more trading days and it's gone. So you might want to load up on the My Funded Futures evals, Expert or Starter. I would say I like the Starter better personally, but you might want to load up on them. They're not offering anything crazy right now. It's 5% off any size eval, Starter or Expert, only if you use the ACH option. Otherwise, there's no discount. But if you want to make sure I get credit for the sale because you want to support the channel, and I appreciate it, you can still put my code in if you want to pay with a debit card or credit card or crypto, and it will acknowledge my code. You just won't get a discount. You won't save 5%, which on a 50K, I get it. Everything counts, but on a 50K, it's $4. It's $4 on a 50K. Instead of it being 80, it's 76. But there's no activation fee. As of right now, I don't know, maybe they'll put an activation fee at the end of the year. I think they're just going to raise the upfront cost and still have no activation fee because it's a really good selling point. But like I said, my link's in the description below. Click on that if you want to see what they have to offer. If you want to, check them out and grab an account. And if you already have an account, you can put my code in and get that deal that's available, which is right now 5% off if you use the ACH option. Anyway, that's all I got for you regarding My Funded Futures. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below, questions or comments or any of that shit. Catch me on my streams. I stream every single day. For Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, and I also stream during the overnight around London, somewhere around during the London session. No set time, but I just hop on if I pass out and I wake up, So anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.